9 months ago, superstar trader and software developer Gerald Reed turned Wall Street on its head with the introduction of his Sentiment Assets trading software. Overnight, normal people from all walks of life found themselves making tens of thousands of dollars in profits each and every week. Most had no prior trading experience, most had no computer skills or technology backgrounds, and most began with very little money out of pocket. None of them had ever made the amounts of money the Sentiment Assets trading software was sending into their accounts automatically, practically overnight. Their newfound fortunes not only changed their lives forever, but also got the attention of the financial world's biggest players. And they reacted. Unscrupulous brokers on several continents have apparently come together and devised a devious strategy specifically aimed at Sentiment Assets trading program users. Reed had found a way to enable the little guy to cash in, and the big guys were fighting back. Today, Gerald Reed is announcing his response to these seedy, dishonest brokers, and how you can profit from it for free. This video reveals his epic response to the shady brokers. It's highly controversial. It will be removed soon. So pay very close attention. This is your only chance to fight back, as he gives you something 100% free.
Hi, I'm Gerald Reed from Sentiment Limited. 9 months ago, we introduced our Sentiment Assets trading program, and it was a huge success. Too successful, in fact. Almost too profitable. It didn't take long for the brokers to notice how much money they were paying out to our successful Sentiment Assets trading software users. See, the brokers are there to take your money, not to make you money. And when they started watching our users start making $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a week and more, they needed to put a stop to it. They were determined to put the brakes on the profitable trades and would stoop to whatever level of lying, dishonesty, and outright manipulation it would take for them to do that. Those bastards. Yeah, they did have some success making our trading software fail at its objective. They were able to figure out what our software was doing, and unfortunately, their BS did cost some of our users money. We fought back. I wasn't about to lay down and let those greedy scammers cost me or my Sentiment users any money. Profits that are ours. I still get pissed off just thinking about the whole thing. So, let's go upstairs to the office. Just give me a minute to get it together. I want to tell you how we responded, how we fought back, and how you can help us beat those shady brokers at their own game and make a whole shitload of money in the process. Morning, Susanna.
Well, the business Sentiment's finest.
That's right.
Yeah.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. What do you need?
Excellent. Let's go back to my office.
So we got a couple new clients. I thought you'd take a new concert.
Okay. I like that.
So summer sounds live. Feels live. He's rich. So
I like that. When we introduced our Sentiment Assets trading software to the public 9 months ago, approximately 1,644 premier members started making over $20,000 a week using this groundbreaking software. More than 20,000 per week, completely on autopilot. This was life-changing for those 1,644 people. It's an incredible feeling knowing that the program me and my team developed was now making fortunes for people practically overnight. $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a week is certainly enough to retire from a normal day job, pay off all the bills, and give you and your family very, very nice lives from day one, living any way you want, even anywhere you want to live. Unfortunately, Those 1,644 people making that kind of money 9 months ago was only 90% of members who were actually using the software. 10% of our members were not making any profits, nothing at all. It didn't make sense to us, so we rolled up our sleeves and dove into the data. They were doing everything right. I mean, the software does all the research through our proprietary algorithm and trades for you automatically. So there was no problem there. They had the exact same systems the other 90% were using. Our algorithm was foolproof. It researched all the trades at a given time in real time. It picked trades with the most probable wins as well as the most profitable transactions. Everyone else were winning trades after trade and making thousands of dollars in profits, but this 10% who started trading a little later than the first 90% of Sentiment members couldn't get a winning trade no matter what they did. My engineers discovered that a handful of devious brokers had assembled a team who reverse engineered our software's algorithm, then altered the coding on their own platforms to work against our proprietary algorithm, which manipulated what the software saw and caused bad trades to be read as good trades by our software. This caused a lot of our members to lose trades instead of win them. You might even be one of those people, so you might know exactly what I'm talking about. Now, there was never any danger of hackers getting into accounts for information or money, and again, these sleazy brokers altered their platforms to siphon off what should have been profits of the unlucky 10%, the profits they should have enjoyed. The profits the other 90% were getting before the brokers changed their code to counteract our software's algorithm. I was pissed, and I had to do something. We felt violated, like we'd been robbed, and I couldn't stand by for it. I vowed to fix it for our users and to get even. Come into the other room, I'll show you something. I'll introduce you to some of my geniuses when they get back from lunch. For the past 9 months, I've worked with the world's best mathematicians, engineers, coders, and yes, even some hackers, to create a foolproof solution that would not only stop those brokers in their tracks, but would also make even more profits for the users. I'm talking about monthly profits like this. I don't want 90% of our members to be profitable. I want 100% to make great amounts of money every day, safely and automatically. I wanted members to win every trade every time. So I've spent over $800,000 during the last few months. These geniuses don't come cheap. But I was determined to create a program that no broker or hacker could get into, ever. Tapping into the incredible advancements in artificial intelligence, my team was able to create something no one had ever seen before, an innovation most had thought was impossible. They were able to refine our software into one that is rock solid, impenetrable, completely autopilot, and totally money-making. No broker can get their hands on your money. They did it by combining and fusing together our proven, profitable proprietary algorithms along with the latest advances in artificial intelligence. It's incredible, almost unimaginable. No program had ever won every trade, and some on my team, along with many of my old Wall Street buddies, they kept telling me it couldn't be done. Some of them told me it was unreachable, that I was crazy, that I was chasing the impossible. Again, no program had ever combined artificial intelligence with a trading program like ours. It had never been done before, until now. Because that is exactly what we've been able to create. My friend, the 2.0 version of the Sentiment Assets trading software is about to blow your mind and make you extremely wealthy. Take a look at this. After 2 months of testing this version of the software internally, there have been 0 losing trades. Look at that. Not one. 100% of every trade has been a winning trade. On top of that, this algorithm can't be hacked or tampered with or redirected or reverse engineered in any shape or form. We've fused this software with artificial intelligence that changes the algorithm according to the no-loss primary directive. If at any point it starts noticing losses or tampering of any kind, the algorithm changes immediately to compensate for losses and to discourage and prevent any tampering by a broker. And it all happens instantly, in real time. The moment a broker changes the code to their platform, the artificial intelligence in the new software automatically makes the necessary loss prevention adjustments to the algorithm. None of the brokers will ever be able to change their coding to make you lose trades or to take your money. Look at the results for yourself. Win after win without a single loss. Profits like these are incredible, and no one has ever been able to accomplish this before. And just this one account we've been testing, we've profited over $750,000 in just these past 2 months. Now, sure, the shady brokers are still trying to get your money by tweaking whatever they can in their platforms. Every time, though, the AI, the artificial intelligence now built into our system, detects their attempts and automatically adjusts our algorithms to continue bringing in winning trade after trade. Today, I'm here to give you the opportunity to make profits like those for yourself. Money that comes in on autopilot, money the brokers won't be able to steal from you, money that most Wall Street traders only ever dream about. The 2.0 version of the Sentiment Assets trading software will change your life. And I want to give you the opportunity to start using and profiting with it right away, right here, for free. So far, with the exception of the members that joined us a few months ago, we've been keeping this new version of our profit-making software top secret. But now that the shady offshore brokers can't abscond with any of your money, and that you'll continue to enjoy one winning trade after another, I'm ready to re-release the program today to someone like you. After all, if you're still with me and still watching this video, you're obviously interested in making daily profits just like this, and ready to get started. Billions of dollars are changing hands in the binary exchanges every day. Billions! And in just a few minutes, I'm going to share with you how you can get a nice piece of that action. I quit a high-paying job on Wall Street years ago, and I've never looked back. In a matter of weeks or even days, you too could be walking away from your job, and trust me, you'll never, ever look back. When you're watching tens of thousands coming into your accounts every week, automatically, when you're sitting across the table from a realtor and signing the paperwork for the nicest home you could ever imagine, and paying for it in cash. When the waiter brings you another top shelf margarita while you're sunning on the beach at your St. Thomas vacation home, or sitting poolside at a 5-star Saint-Tropez resort. What do you think? Are you going to miss the old job then? Yeah, right. I don't think so. Let's take a drive and I'll tell you how to get involved. The markets reward risk takers, but my team and I have developed a program that only takes smart risks. Losing is not an option. You saw the results. 100% winners 100% of the time. There is no risk and the rewards are very, very nice. And with the new artificial intelligence infused into the software, you'll never ever have to worry about the software not working anymore. My new team of superstar coders, programmers, traders, and even MIT professors have turned the new Sentiment Assets trading program into a trading phenomenon. There's never been anything like it. Win after win, profit on top of profit. This software will soon make you a very wealthy trader. The early rounds of research and beta testing, monitored by an independent third party by the way, have shown that anyone Even someone with no trading experience and very little starting capital can quickly turn tiny amounts of money into large amounts of daily profits, then into huge amounts of long-term wealth. This program does everything for the trader, start to finish, and does it better than any of my former Wall Street associates could ever do. No human would ever come close to touching the performance of the software. Professional traders like myself, people who make millions on Wall Street, are lining up to use the new program for themselves and their very big private clients. They're making fortunes using the early version, and they're ready to do even better with our 2.0 version, the exact software I'm going to give you today. Yes, the new 2.0 version of the Sentiment Assets trading software is about to make its fortunate users very, very wealthy. Are you ready to become one of them and make daily profits just like this? And yes, I did say give you this money-making program. Since you're still watching this video, I want to give you the 2.0 version of the Sentiment Assets trading software that you could begin using later today and start seeing the profits come into your life this time tomorrow. I'm talking about a truly life-changing amount of wealth that will soon be yours to spend any way you'd like if you confirm your email on this page right now. I want to make sure that you're not one of the brokers trying to get a hold of my software. I want to make sure that you were actually invited here by one of my wealthy colleagues in an email they sent out to their most loyal members. So you must confirm your invitation email below. Here's why I'm doing this. Why I want to give you this life-changing software here today. Sentiment Limited is about to go public. Next month, we'll be launching our IPO, the initial public offering. And if all goes well, yours truly will become an extremely wealthy man. Maybe not Gates or Zuckerberg type wealthy, but I will be very well off. The IPO underwriters and some of the larger investors have suggested that the more success early users like you have using the software, the higher the IPO price will be. Basically, when you make a lot of money, I will make a lot of money with a higher stock price. Wall Street loves a winner, and when they see people like you winning trade after trade using my company's new product, they'll reward the company with a higher stock value right out of the gate. Now, I'm not suggesting you buy any of the stock or that you should be concerned about the IPO or the stock price or anything like that. What I am suggesting is that you confirm the email where you received an invite to this page, start using the program, and begin watching the profits coming in later today. You'll make money, a lot of money in fact, and I'll make money too. And it won't cost you anything to get the process going. Let me make a couple of quick points here. First, Sentiment Limited is giving the software away here today. There's no cost today, tomorrow, or next year, and there's no fine print that'll come back to haunt you later. This is Sentiment's gift to you that will pay off nicely for both sides. For Sentiment, a higher IPO price, and you with a lot of money coming into your bank account. Second, you don't need any experience trading stocks, bonds, commodities, or any other assets. The software takes care of everything, even placing the trades and cashing in on the winners. You won't have to do any researching, any reading, learn any ticker symbols, or start watching boring business channels. The program's algorithm is extremely powerful and will process billions of bytes of information in mere seconds. Third, you can start profiting from the software today, right away. I've never witnessed a program more capable of making more money than the 2.0 version of Sentiment Assets trading software. No software out there will give you a guaranteed zero loss on all trades to make people like you weekly income just like this. I have no doubt at all that you too will start making a lot of money right away, like all the other traders that start using this software. Today, you have the unique opportunity to join me in using the strongest money-making machine ever made. And you can start to profit right away in a matter of minutes. It's all up to you. You either accept this free offer that will provide you and your family with the lifestyle you've always dreamed of, or you leave it for someone else. The decision is yours and yours only. But I am sure someone sent you this invitation for a reason, so think hard about this. But think fast, because there aren't many free copies left, and once they're gone, you'll lose out on this opportunity forever.
Confirm your invitation email now and guarantee your financial future today. It's up to you. Confirm your email invitation on this page right now and begin reaping the profits from your new software within a matter of hours. Or you can click out of this video and leave your free copy of the software for someone else. You know that it can be difficult to make a lot of money. You also know how having amounts of money like this program will bring in can change your life. Imagine what it can do for you and your family. This shouldn't be a tough decision, but it is all yours. Fill out your information on this page right now before it's too late and get your new financial freedom started today, right now.